Okay, now we are pranking Alyssa, my wife, her library sister, and her cousin, my wife.
I look washed.
She's not answering.
Nah, she's not gonna answer. Hang on.
Alright, we're gonna call somebody else. Hold on.
Who else can we call?
We're gonna look through our phone book. Give us a minute.
What's Fat Ty's number?
I don't think I have it. Armando.
I'm not gonna answer.
My dad.
You were really...
Kelly.
Yeah, prank call Kelly.
Alright, we're gonna do my cousin Kelly.
Make sure you're blocking your numbers.
We would do Stina, but she's gonna know it's on.
Wow, I say you the fucking best.
Hello?
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 Jenny.
Who is this?
Who's this?
Hello?
Hello, Jenny.
I'm hanging up.
No!
Don't play stupid.
You don't play stupid.
I'm hanging up. Goodbye.
No!
Bye.
No!
Bye.
Oh, man, she hung up on me.
She hung up on us.
I call you for her.
No, don't come in there.
Don't go how far. He just got a surgery.
Yeah.
He'll kill us.
Stephanie's gonna answer as well.
Oh,
Are we still going on with this video?
give us a minute. Cece?
Nah. She
She
can't.
has a YouTube.
She's gonna
So
think
what?
she's a friend of us on YouTube.
what?
She's prepaid.
Oh, yeah.
I want
Flex,
Rebecca to
Lisa?
answer. Try Rebecca again. She's like, she probably dropped that in her sleep.
Britain.
I'm not talking, so who's talking?
Me. Hello? Hello? Who that? Hello? Who that?
Christina, I know your voice, asshole.
That's
That's why you're laughing.
Kill me, you stupid bitch.
Yo, are y'all calling Andrew's phone? Our phone?
No?
Don't lie, because she's blowing my phone and getting me tight.
Alright, yeah, it was us, but don't tell her.
Alright, but can you please stop? Because now their family's going on, and then now they're trying to come at Bob and all this other bullshit is making a war for nothing.
Don't tell her it was
I'm not
us.
gonna tell her who it is.
Yo, man, if you're gonna come at me, get off the phone. If you're gonna stalk, get off the phone. Nobody wants to hear you. Christina, like it was a joke. Christina. Fuck out of here. Tell him to go blow himself on some G shit. Fuck out of here.
Alright. All I'm just saying is please stop because if she's blowing up my phone, she's calling me like I have something to do.
Tell her to laugh it off.
But what y'all doing? Fucking prank calling people.
We put it on YouTube.
You're putting it on YouTube?
Yeah, it's funny.
You're on YouTube right now?
Yeah, say hi to YouTube.
Yeah, you're on YouTube right
YouTube, you feel like a dick because you couldn't prank call me bitches.
Fuck up.
Y'all hear it tight because I know who it was.
Yeah.
Darn.
Who you with?